Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror in the morning and thought, this can't go on like this? If so, you're not alone. But what most people don't know is that there's a 100% natural way to completely change how you sleep, how you wake up, and how your body burns fat. And the answer lies in a capsule that no one is telling you about. Hi, my name is Amelia, and today I'm here to talk about an innovative product called Revive Daily. If you're looking for a 100% natural way to improve your sleep, restore your energy levels, and speed up your metabolism, stay with me until the end because I'll tell you everything in detail. First of all, I want to give you a heads up about the importance of purchasing Revive Daily only through the official website, which I'll leave in the first link in the description and comments. This will ensure that you're getting the original product and taking advantage of the special introductory offer. Now let's talk about what Revive Daily is and why it's so special. Many people have been asking if it really works, and the answer is a resounding yes. Revive Daily is the only supplement that naturally restores the production of your body's #1 fat-burning and anti-aging hormone. It contains 8 special nutrients in precise amounts, proven to boost GH production and improve the quality of deep sleep for both men and women. What's amazing is that you'll feel the effects from the very first night. You'll fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up feeling refreshed, with your metabolism and body firing on all cylinders. Revive Daily is manufactured in the USA in a GMP-certified facility and adheres to the highest quality standards. It's 100% natural, vegetarian, and non-GMO. Plus, thousands of people are already benefiting from its life-changing effects, and you can be next. Now, let's talk about the packages available. If you want to see the best results, it's recommended to use Revive Daily consistently for at least 90 to 180 days. And to help with that, they're offering special discount packages. 1 bottle, 30-day supply for $69 plus shipping. 3 bottles, 90-day supply for just $39 each, totaling $117 plus shipping. And the best deal, 6 bottles, 180-day supply for just $34 each, totaling $204 plus shipping. Remember, this offer is limited and only guaranteed while supplies last. So if you want to take advantage of these prices, place your order now. And if you're not satisfied with the results, no problem. Revive Daily comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Just return even the empty bottles and you'll receive a full refund. So, if you're ready to improve your health, boost your metabolism, and sleep like never before, give Revive Daily a try. The link is right below this video. Don't miss this opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.